been a while since I was in New York City, but whenever I go there, I always think of the verse in Tehillim in Psalms that says, "And the land Hashem, He gave to the sons of man." The avenues that stretch to the limit of vision, the feeling of the human dynamo that's New York City. I was walking along Central Park East, just by 67th Street, and I saw some roadworks and I realized how they can build skyscrapers of upwards of 100 stories. In London and Jerusalem, dig into the ground and you'll find soil and some rocks. In Manhattan, try and dig into the ground and your spade will bounce back with a hefty ring as it hits solid black granite. And it is that solid granite that has been hewn to form the two memorials to the nearly 3,000 people who were murdered by the terrorist attack on the World Trade Center on September the 11th, 2001. As you approach the memorial, you see all the names of those who fell victim. Each name is engraved in a metal surround of two vast chasms in the ground where those buildings stood. And into those chasms pour an enormous and continual four-sided waterfall. And at the bottom of those chasms are smaller abysses into which the water pours, and of those you cannot see the bottom. It seems like a flood of tears, constantly pouring into the depths of the world. But what makes the monument so impressive is its sheer scale. I tried to take a video of it, but when I played it back, it conveyed nothing of the feeling that I experienced. There are some things you just can't film, you just can't video. There's a way that Hashem speaks to us that's beyond language. There's a language of the emotions, the still small voice that speaks to us. The first word in this week's Parsha, Vayikra, means "and he called." Rashi says that Vayikra is an expression of affection, of dearness, and that this is the way that the angels call to one another. But maybe the only creation to whom Hashem calls, the only creation that's attuned to that special broadcast of the emotions, is man.